Alright guys, we're back here. We're back here with this fun little RC car shell. Now, if you notice, this was the previous car shell that I did. And it was nice and perfect up here, or it mostly was. This one, on the other hand, has squiggles and weird stuff going on. Actually, this one had a little bit of that there too. And we're probably wondering, what the heck is that squiggle mess? Let's see if I can get that with the camera somehow. What is this mess right there? Well, this usually happens when your hot end gets too hot, or sometimes when there's a bunch of gunk on your hot end, and then as it gets really hot and it starts moving around, it'll sort of melt and come down and fall onto your print. And then, when that kind of sticky mess comes onto your print, that even like dual cooling is not enough to cool it down, and so it starts making these weird things that you see right there. So what's the solution to that problem? Well, clean your hot end. I wouldn't say after every print, but often, which nobody does, and that will reduce the chances of you getting those disgusting squiggles, or like in this case here, slightly darker areas of plastic. And it happened over here too. Anyway, 3D printing is not a perfect science yet. It still has a long way to go, and therefore that's why it's not so mainstream. But yeah, things like this happen all the time. You could just Dremel that off, or coat this thing with different chemicals, whatever you want to use. You could glaze it in some other way after you clean this up. You are not going to get a perfect print out of pretty much any machine. Anyway, there we are. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to start printing a spoiler for the machine, for this RC car shell, and see how that'll look with a nice spoiler back there. But yeah, there we are. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.